Hey Roblox players, let's talk about something super important for your account's safety. If you've seen people hyping up RobloxBlessed.com as a way to get free Robux, I need you to stop right there. This site is a confirmed scam, and here's why you should stay far, far away. First red flag: Roblox has never, ever had a real Robux generator. Any website that claims to magically give you free Robux is lying. These sites are created to steal your login info, and Roblox themselves have warned all of us about these tricks. Second, phishing is real. If you type your password or any personal details into robloxblessed.com, you're basically handing your account to scammers on a silver platter. It's not just your Robux you'll lose, your accessories, your progress, maybe even your whole account. And don't believe those TikTok and YouTube videos proving it works. Those are just part of the scam, fake testimonials meant to trick you. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. So, what are the legit ways to get Robux? Honestly, there are only three: buy them through the official Roblox website or app, redeem an official gift card on the Roblox redeem page, or earn them by creating games or items through the developer program. That's it. Now, if you did get tricked by RobloxBlessed.com, don't panic but act fast. Change your password right now using Roblox's official settings. Turn on two-factor authentication to keep your account extra secure, and definitely report the site to Roblox support under report abuse. Stay alert, stay smart, and keep your Robux safe.